So hey guys, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Mielle, and if you're my returning subscriber, hey. So guys, a lot of you have been asking me about my products for my hair, for my natural hair. I don't think I want to sit here and be recommending all kinds of products because like I noticed some products do change. I've noticed some products there's a thing with the Mielle products going on, something like she sold her company and now the products have changed and have been ruining people's hair. Unfortunately, I still have some of her products that used to be my favorite, and now I'm actually afraid of buying these products after hearing all this that has been going on. But yeah, anyways, I'll start with shampoo because I think shampoo is a place where you can actually save, but I have my favorite. And as long as this lady keeps on doing what she's doing, I'll keep buying her shampoos. This is called the Main Choice. It's from a company called the Main Choice. And this, I think they changed the name to Alpha, but this is called the Detangling Hydrating Shampoo. This does what exactly it does. This shampoo, when I put in my hair, I feel like it doesn't detangle. No shampoo can detangle, but I feel like some shampoos, when you put them in your hair, they make your hair like go like, you know, and then you have to struggle detangling. But this one, if I have detangled my hair stays detangled. And yeah, they say it gently removes build-up and impurities without stripping moisture. Exactly. I feel like when I use it, it doesn't strip my moisture. So I've been using this shampoo, and for me, like I said, if it's not broken, why fix it, you know? So this shampoo works for me. I cannot buy it in Denmark. I always have to buy it in England, and I think as long as I can still get it, I don't know like why I would like to change. But another shampoo like I like, it is this TGIN. It's mean thank God I am natural. It is the rose water sulfate free hydrating shampoo. It is a sulfate free shampoo, and this means like if I'm in a hurry and I don't want to strip my hair, or I just want to wash in between the week, I'm not yet really ready to wash, deep wash, but I want to wash my hair, I can use this because it doesn't have sulfate in it. So, but this, I will not say like this is my favorite, but this is something I always have. And sometimes, ladies, if you have your hair and your hair feels dry and all that, it means maybe you have a lot of junk on your hair. You have been putting on products for weeks and weeks, and you have been using maybe a shampoo that is not stripping, that is not really deep cleansing. Then you need a clarifying shampoo. I don't have any clarifying shampoo. Sorry guys, the light is going in and out. I do not have any clarifying shampoo. But for me, actually, if I need to like strip my hair, I use this Heads and Shoulders, and you can get this, anybody can get this. So if you have been using like oils, you have been using shea butter and stuff like that, and you're like, oh, my hair feels dry, like whatever I put in is not working, try to get a shampoo like it's gonna strip your hair. But if you get a shampoo that's gonna strip your hair, I always use a shampoo like this. If I use this strong shampoo, I always go in with a hydrating shampoo right afterwards, or a shampoo without sulfate, just to bring life in it, because this is going to strip your hair. You're gonna feel it when you put this in your hair. You're going to feel it. All right. And another shampoo I don't have is, I think actually I have it from this company, Tresemmé. Tresemmé makes good shampoos and good conditioners. And guys, like I know some of you cannot be able to have these products in the countries you are, but I think this Tresemmé, I'm almost sure it's in Africa also, like in supermarkets in Africa, and you like get a big bottle. So and something I do before I shampoo my hair, I always pre-poo. Pre-poo means like preparing your hair before shampooing. So this is my favorite. This is the Tresemmé Rich Moisture. I didn't seem to find it online, but these are like in many countries. So I just take this and I put a lot of it on my hair and I detangle it. I made a video already how I wash my hair and all that. You see, I use this. Sometimes I might add some olive oil or any oil I have, and I just put a lot of it on my hair, and I use this for preparing my hair before I put shampoo on it. So Tresemmé, if you can, I've never used their deep conditioner, but if you're in a country and you can find their deep conditioner, you should try it. I've never tried it. So shampoo, and I think this the main choice. They have other kind of shampoos I've tried. I tried one of them, I can't remember it gave me a lot of mint in my eyes. I didn't like that, but this one, and I think they have another one called the Hydrate, Hello Hydration. Yeah, Hello Hydration is also good. Guys, you're living in England, in the US, you can get these things for sure. Yes. So that's my shampoo. I don't have a lot, and I don't feel like experimenting, to be honest, guys. This is working, and this is what I'm using. And for me, ladies, the thing I feel like you should invest in when it comes to your hair, I think you should invest in a good deep conditioner. Do your best to find a good deep conditioner. The deep conditioner is the one that's gonna make or break your hair, and maybe probably the leave-in. But for me, I feel the deep conditioner is the one that brings life back in your hair. When you have done all these things, blow drying or stretching it or combing it, deep conditioner. Unfortunately, my favorite deep conditioners is getting a bad rep right now. Not the deep conditioner, but the company making it is getting a bad rep now, and I don't know like what am I going to do, because people are saying like the product's breaking their hair. But I don't think it's the conditioners. This line, I think it's the mint oil. Some have been using the mint oil, I think, or some kind of oil putting on their scalp, and I think that's what has damaged their hair. So I'm very, very nervous, but this has been my favorite for many, many, many years, and I've been using this. This is called the Mielle Babassu mint and deep conditioner. What people are saying, like she sold the company and the company is changing the ingredients, and maybe that's why it's breaking their people's hair. But I like this, like if you have everybody who has natural hair, everybody who has hair, our hair is made of protein. Sometimes we need some protein back. So this is what I use, and I think this has it gives you a moisture protein balance, I think it said. Yes, the protein moisture balance. So this is good if you're not sure, like, oh, do I need protein or do I need moisture, and you don't know, you use this one because it gives you protein moisture balance. I don't know, guys, what I'm going to do. Like, are there any of you who use these products and you're not going to use them anymore? I don't know. I really, really, really love this product, and I've been using these products for years, ever since I became natural. So now I don't know what I'm gonna do, hearing all those scary stories, people saying the hair is falling out. And another of their product is this Mielle hydrating. It's called the Mielle Mongong oil hydrating conditioner. I love this. I've been loving this. I've been always using this for moisture, for hydrating, you know. But again, I don't know what I'm going to do if they are saying that these products are bad. I've been using them. I haven't had anything wrong, but I'm nervous, you know. I'm very, very nervous. If it's, imagine putting this in your hair and then your hair starts breaking. That would be horrible, you know. As African or us black girls, we do so much to grow our hair long, and then having it break is not a good thing. And another of my favorite products, my favorite company, is this company called Soultanicals. I feel like you can almost not go wrong with their products. So I have this called Soultanicals Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Scalp and Therapy Mask. This is one of my favorite masks, deep conditioners. And let me check, guys. Yes, like I was saying, guys, if I was able to get these products, I would definitely be using a lot of their products. But yeah, you can most of the time get them in the US. Their company is based in the US, and most of the time if I go to buy them on these shops, I like buying them in the US, they're always sold out. But I have found their homepage, and I can tell you some of my products that I would definitely recommend. I would definitely recommend this one, the Hibiscus Hair Healer Mask. I would definitely recommend these ones, are the ones I've used. The Chebe, I think it's called Chebe Ginger Super Deep Conditioner. I've used that and I loved it so much. There's another one called Afrotastic Curl Elastic Deep Conditioning Treatment. That's also a very, very good one for my hair. I've used. There's another one called Monai Moisture Sleep Deep Conditioning. I feel like all their deep conditioners I can recommend. I really, really love their products. So if you're in a place in the US, man, you're able to buy their products, those are the products I recommend, almost everything of them. All right. And another product I like is this from Alikay Naturals, Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. I like this deep conditioner. I really love. Guys, I'm showing you the things I use. I don't know, some of you cannot even maybe find them where you are, but this is what I use. I cannot tell you like the things I don't have. All right, so those are some of my products, and like I said, I think I've used a different kind of deep conditioners and all that, but this is what I'm using, and probably I'll try to experiment with others deep conditioners, but I don't like experimenting. If something is working, especially the deep conditioners, I don't like to experiment. So, and the leave-in conditioners, I don't know if I can recommend. I like this Miche leave-in conditioner, but when I looked online, because I told you guys I don't like aloe vera in my products, and one lady was saying, oh, you're using that one, it has aloe vera, but the aloe vera, at least the one I'm looking online, the aloe vera is down. When I say aloe vera, I mean like aloe vera is number 2 on the ingredients. So guys, the Miche, for example, that's why I'm saying like it's difficult to recommend products, because this company keep on changing their products. Because this Miche one, the leave-in conditioner, I think they've changed, because it used to be called the Lavish leave-in conditioning styler. Now when I look on their homepage, it's called the 3-in-1 leave-in conditioning styler. All right, and it has aloe vera, like I think a number 6 or number 7. That one I can use, you know, when the aloe vera is down there I can use it, but something like this one, the aloe vera is like number 2. I've used it, but I've also mixed it in different things, because otherwise it's going to leave my hair not feeling good, and it was a sample. I'm glad it was a sample. So if I think the aloe vera leave-in conditioner, sorry, not aloe vera, the Miche leave-in conditioner, you can try that, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna, I might buy a smaller bottle to check it out, but I don't know if you know about this Kinky-Curly Not Today natural leave-in detangler. This is very good. People were raving about this for years and years, and I also got it now. I used it, and I wasn't really using it, because in those old days I was all over the place with product, but now I bought it again and I really love it. And these products, like, it doesn't have all those things I don't like. It has organic mango fruit extract, it has organic slippery elm, organic marshmallow root, organic lemongrass, cetyl alcohol, and something, but it doesn't have coconut oil, it doesn't have glycerin, and it does not have aloe vera in it. So if you are in a place where you can find not the copies, because some people they make copies, if you're in a place where you can find the real deal thing, then get it. My friend got me these things, and all these products I've been saying she got for me in the US, and I don't know how in the US they are restricted with people making copies. I don't know, but I hope it's free. But I think I'm going to actually give this a chance. I use this in my hair last time I washed. I'm going to keep on trying using this, and see if it's good. Then I'll just keep using this one. I don't want to waste money on products, guys. I think I'm plunging on deep conditioners. And my butters, as you know, these have been my favorite butters. I don't know why. I had them a long time, and I was using them, not using them, and I'll use them and then I'll not use them. And I think the last year and a half I've been consistently using this. And how can you see, this is almost like finished. This is the butters I've been, this smells so good. And also the Nourish and Shine from Jane Carter. I didn't say the name of the other one. Is from is it from the Soultanicals, I think? No, it's a Qhemet Biologics. Yeah, Qhemet Biologic. And this is the Jane Carter. Jane Carter you can also find in many places, but this is really good. You don't actually need the Jane Carter so much. For me, it has like a very weird smell, but this one smells so good. And you don't need these ones. You can also just use shea butter, guys. Just use your shea butter. Just mix your shea butter. If coconut oil doesn't hurt your hair, mix your shea butter with some coconut oil and maybe some avocado, a little bit of avocado oil, and use that like your butter. You don't have to go out buying these things, because you know what? I used to use shea butter. When I look back at some of my photos with beautiful shiny twist, I was actually using butter, not any of these products. So guys, these are the products I use. And if you're living in England, if you're living in America, you are able to get those products. Oh, I forgot another product, the As I Am DoubleButter Cream is good. And guys, if you're not like me and you don't care about you don't care about aloe vera, you don't care about coconut oil, you don't care about glycerins, As I Am are good products and not very expensive. So As I Am products are really, really good. And Camellia Rose are also really, really good products. If you don't mind, I have this hair milk. It's also good. It has aloe vera in it, so I'm very careful with it. But if you don't mind those things, Camellia Rose makes good products, which are a little bit affordable also. As I Am making very good products. As I Am products are really very affordable. So I would definitely go with the As I Am products because I can see them in many different places. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope the video helps. And yeah, guys, if you have any good leave-in conditioners, especially for me, I still want to find a good leave-in conditioner. I haven't found that one where I said like this is it. So if you have a really good leave-in conditioner, leave it in the comments so we can help other sisters who want to stay natural, right? Thank you for watching the video, guys, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Mwah.